That happens whenever someone fixed the truck. It's just unfortunate that the way that the laws and regulations are currently written do not allow for the mechanics in shops to actually fix a broken system. And in many cases, you'll have someone that have an older vehicle like a 08, 09 Cummins. Just use that for an example. How well do those emission systems work? A little overhead message to you 24/7. But those systems suck so bad. But to expand on that, these systems, let's say you've got a truck that's got 300,000 miles on it. Let's say that exhaust system, all the sensors in it and everything else, it has maybe an 8 to 10% tolerance for error, right? So if you're outside the range, then you're in a thing. Well, we all, older vehicles, they make a little bit more oil. The turbo's a little bit more tired. Everything's a little bit more tired. You've got an aged engine that's been running freaking EGR and everything else through it. It's not happy. You could put a brand new exhaust on that truck, and then the customer says, hey, they go down the road 5 miles, and hey, I'm throwing these codes again. So then it goes back to the mechanic shop. They're trying to diagnose them. They don't see anything wrong with it. We just put a brand new exhaust system, but you're swimming up creek, because if the engine system or the components on the engine have deteriorated more than the tolerance that exhaust allows, well, now the EPA is going to expect you to basically completely replace that engine for the most part, or start going into all these components just to satisfy the exhaust system. But it's a scam. And the reason it's a scam is because if I have an engine, let's say we rebuild it, get it back pretty fresh, but let's say that the whole system, the whole component, and our engine's now 15, 20% less than what it was good from the factory.